dog, man.
You take video?
What?
Your friend take video?
What's up, bro? How you doing?
I like that.
Sound to the camera.
Hi, what's up everybody? Today I'm gonna do a video asking people about their dog's name. It'll be like, do you have a dog? Can I have your dog's name? Actually, it's a very awkward question, but I'm gonna do it. They hopefully say they would say, what you want with my dog's name? Are you stupid, Blackwards? It's very awkward. And listen to their reaction.
Can I have your name?
Or for what?
Your dog or your dog's name? Your name or your dog's name?
I don't have a dog.
What's the problem, man?
I don't have.
Okay, your name.
A field.
I need for some service. What's your name?
Aquele lugar. A field.
I feel?
Yeah.
Okay.
For what you need it?
I need for some service. Sorry.
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay, bye bye. Hey, get a second. I'm doing an experiment show, asking people if they have dogs. There's a camera over there. See? There's a guy with the camera.
Okay.
It's an experiment. It's a share.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's a joke, man.
Good luck.
Thanks a lot. Like, what's his name?
Tagoche?
Yes.
Yeah.
What's his name? Hey, can I have your dog's name? Sorry for quick.
What?
Your dog's name.
My dog's name?
Yeah.
My dog's name?
Yeah, that's all. Yeah.
One inside.
Your dog.
My dog?
Yeah.
How do you know that I have a dog?
Maybe you have. If I can have your dog's name, your name, please, for quick.
My dog's name is Mia.
Mia? Okay, that's all.
What do you...
Thank you. That's all. Bye bye.
Tenemos que sacar el plan este. El único que no tenemos.
Can I ask you why did you ask?
We are doing the experiment. There's a camera over there. It's a brain. You see the guy with the camera?
Ah, okay.
It's a brain. Yeah, it's a dog. Thank you. Thank you. Can I have your dog's name? Sorry. I'm really sorry. Can I have your dog's name?
Dogs?
Yeah.
We don't have dogs.
Sneeds? Okay, that's all.
Okay.
That's all. Thank you.
I give you my dog.
Thank you so much.
You want?
That's all.
My dog is
Yeah.
Sean.
Sean?
Sean.
Okay, that's all.
It's a Labrador.
Okay, Labrador.
And Joy.
Thank you so much.
No, the name of the dog is Joy.
It's Joy?
Joy.
Wow, Joy?
Yeah,
Oh,
Joy.
that's great. That's good. Thank you so much. Sorry guys, you have been in a video. Is a camera over there. I'm doing the experiment, asking people if they have a dog. Yeah. Thank you. Look over there. Thank you, mom. I need it for some service. That's all. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I'm really sorry. I'm doing a experiment show. There's a camera over there asking people if they have a dog.
Oh, wow. Okay.
It's the brain. I work for YouTube videos.
Yeah?
It's the brain, yeah. Asking people if they have dogs. It's very awkward, but I'm asking people. I see. Yeah. Asking people if they have dogs.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Is it okay if I can put you on YouTube?
Maybe.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye.
Go on, please.
Okay. Yeah. It's hard.
I know. Yeah.
You know the place?
The first time I go to.
You came here. Yeah, you know the place. Okay. Thank you so much. So we are doing only experiment. It's a video on YouTube. It's a brain.
Okay.
You know the brain is a joke on YouTube. It's a YouTube channel. Okay. Thank you. Is that right if I can put you on YouTube?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. See you. Bye bye. Just for a second. Your dog's name.
Dog?
Yeah. That's all. Only dog's name.
Dog's name.
Yeah, that's all. Alright, that's all. That's all.
That's all?
Yeah, one your dog's name.
Ah, okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sorry, just a second. I was doing a YouTube video asking people if they have a dog. It's a brain. There's a camera over there. This is the guy, the black guy with the camera. This is the black guy with the camera.
Yes.
Over there.
Yes.
It's a brain. YouTube videos.
Oh, oh my gosh.
Thank you.
The dogs.
You don't have dogs? Can I have your name if you don't have dogs? Can I have your name instead of your dog's name?
Richard.
Witcher?
Richard.
Witcher?
Richard.
Richard? What's your name?
Gen.
Gen. That's all. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Get a second, guys, second. So I'm doing YouTube videos asking people if they have dogs. It's a brain. Okay, it's a brain, it's a brain, it's a brain. Thanks, man. What's up, bro? Can I have your dog's name?
What?
Can I have your dog's name?
What?
Your dog's name. Dog. 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 You know dog? D-O-G. Dog.
Ah, dog?
Yeah. Can I have his name? Can I have your name instead of your dog?
Dog?
Yeah.
You...
Yeah. I want your dog's name.
I know.
Dog. Okay, what's up? Can I have your dog's name? Can I have your dog's name?
What?
Can I have your dog's name?
Dog's name?
Yeah.
I don't have dog's name.
Okay, your name instead of your dog's name.
Charlotte.
Charlotte.
Why?
I need for some service.
Service?
Yeah. The special I need dog's name. Okay.
Dog?
See you. Yeah, yeah. Dog's name.
It's a pet?
Yeah, yeah. Well, its name. Oh, that's all. Thank you. That's all. Thank you. Sorry, it's a brain. I'm doing YouTube videos asking people if they have a dog's name. It's a brain. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a YouTube video. It's a joke.